Kelly here. My quest to learn more about what Opto hardware does once it's left the factory has led me here, to Newport Beach, California, which is a great location to be because this is headquarters for PayWerks, Inc. Let's go check it out. I'm very fortunate to have a few minutes today to talk to Bill Foster from PayWerks, Inc. Hi, Bill. Can you tell us a little bit more about yourself and about your company?
I'm Bill Foster with PayWerks, Inc., and I'm president of the company. We manufacture outdoor payment kiosks, and we've been in business now for about 6 years, manufacturing these machines for the toll road industry.
So recently your company has been faced with an automation problem. Could you give us a couple more details about that?
Our client came to us with a need for a machine that would accept both coin and cash for the toll roads. And they challenged us with developing a machine that would stand up to the environment and would be cost effective for them to deploy. The standard industry toll collection machine is coin only, and generally it only accepts the amount of the toll. So, you know, and that was fine when toll rates were 25 cents and 50 cents, but now the tolls are over $1 in most cases and several dollars in cases. The toll industry is looking for a machine that would accept bills so they don't have as much coin to deal with, and also make change for the customer, so they can go ahead and pay with $5 bill and get a couple of dollars back for change.
So what criteria did the solution to this problem have to meet?
One of the main problems we had in integrating all the different components in the machine was we had to have pretty much unlimited serial communication to all the different components. And with the Opto product and its modularity gave us the ability to go ahead and add as many serial points as we needed on the machine. We also had to withstand the vibration that occurs on the road, and the dust, and of course all the temperature changes that occur. Kelly, this is the machine we manufacture, or one of the models we manufacture, that uses the Opto 22 components. This is a toll collection machine where we accept coins at 2 levels, bills at 2 levels. The patron is able to request a receipt after the transaction. So what happens, Kelly, is as the car pulls up, the toll gets displayed on the screen, and green lights start blinking to show the patron where the pay points are. The customer is able to go ahead and enter money at either a lower level, what I call a Miata level, or a higher level, which is the SUV level. And the system makes change for them. So they're able to go ahead and put in a $5 up to a $20 bill on this machine and receive change back for their payment. So kind of unique in the industry. We're the only ones manufacturing them here in the US, and we have units installed in other locations as well. So Kelly, here's the inside of the ATPM, and we have different components in here: cash acceptors, coin dispensers, printers, and all these different modules got integrated together. So here's the Opto rack, the snap pack components that we're using. And as I mentioned, we use a lot of the serial modules. We cluster those all in one group. And then we have the outputs and a couple of input modules to pick up sensors that are around the cabinet. So we have the DIN rail mount with the Opto components mounted, and of course the power supplies and circuit breakers and so on below it complete this whole module. And then we develop this so it slides in and out, makes it real easy for the field techs to come out here and work on it. We have machines in the toll industry in Ohio and in Michigan, and we have other projects in the works right now. So we're definitely looking forward to a big year next year in the toll road industry. We're also looking for additional vertical markets where we can take our expertise in ruggedized outdoor payment machines and deploy them into other vertical markets.
What did you like best about working with Opto 22?
Well, we chose Opto 22 because of its modularity, and that gives us the ability to add additional components onto our solution without really having to change the hardware. And so that was very good for us. And the fact that it just works. Once you get it up and running, you leave it alone and it just runs.
Thank you for watching this industrial automation application. Don't worry though, my quest to find out what jobs our Opto 22 hardware has taken on hasn't finished yet. I promise to bring you another exciting and cool application. So stay tuned, keep on watching, and see you next time.